This is Mi Smart Band 6 by Xiaomi. So let's open it. This is manual. This is device. This is charging cable. Let's check the weight. This is around 24 grams. It's looking very nice. This is for the charging.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone. I bought this Mi Smart Band 6 1 week earlier from Amazon. It cost me around 3000 rupees and I have used it 3-4 days. So this came in black band, but it can also be replaced in different colors which are available in the market, and it can be easily replaceable. Just removing this board from here, from the band, and then we can insert in different color band if you would like to buy this one, new one. The display is AMOLED display and very smooth. So let's check it. So all the data will get synchronized on this app. So let's first check the device, then we will check the app functions. So the timer display, there are two options to show. One is swipe up and one is tap. So it can be configured from the settings. Like I have set it swipe up. So let's check the other things. It is very smooth. Display is AMOLED display and very smooth. So let's check it one by one. This will show the stats. This is PI, it is a combination of activities. This is heart rate monitor and SpO2. We will check it later and we will compare this one. it is sleep monitoring data. These are notifications, these are workouts. This can also be check the stress. This is breathing activities. It will show the events. These are the alarm. These are weather. You can also control music in your phone. These are the world clock. These are the settings. We can change the different displays. We can set the DND. We can set the brightness. We can enable the lock. And we can set the display by swipe up or tap. From here we can set auto display off. I have set it 10 seconds, so it can be changed to different seconds. There are notification display setting. We can reboot, factory reset, and we can check the details. You can go into more settings. There is a flashlight. It can help in the night. We can use our mobile camera just by connecting the device and just tapping it here. There is a stopwatch. There is a timer. We can also find the device on which it has been connected. Like it has been connected on my phone. Just by clicking this one, we will give alarm to the other device. So let's check other function on the app. So all the data is getting synchronized with the app. So these are the different combination of activities. It also records the night sleep data. So it's showing all the data. You can also connect it with that and track the activity of your friend. QR code can be generated from here and then connected to this one. It's showing that 50% battery is remaining, and so 50% has been utilized. Last charged 8 days ago. So as I have used it for 4 or 5 days only. So if in normal use it can last up to 7 days to 10 days. in store you will get different displays. We can change it as per our requirement. We can manage different overviews from here. We can set the notifications. We can enable or disable from here. These for vibration setting. We can enable or disable band lock. We can set it the mode. We can also unlock Mi notebook with this band by enabling it. We can keep it updated. So if required we can also unpair it. You can set goal from here. We can connect with the friend activity and track the friend activity. This can also get data from the Apple Health, but I have disabled it. We can set the unit of measurement from here. Let's check how the sensor are performing. I will be comparing it with this pulse oximeter. If we see results are closely matching, we should consider this measurement as an indicator only.